Hey, you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77. When we return, I have the Topvision. This is a visual focus coming up right after this. Hey, welcome back everybody. Hey, today I got the Topvision. This is a visual focus. This one's 2.4 gigahertz and also has Wi-Fi FPV with optical flow. So I had a company from Amazon send this out to me. I sure appreciate you guys. The problem with this right now is I don't know what size camera this is, so I'm speculating that it's 720p. I looked at the drone and it doesn't have a built-in DVR, even though it has a slot for it, but this is only going to record off of the HFun app that you need to download. So you do have to have that on your phone downloaded for you to be able to get your Wi-Fi FPV. All that's in the manual. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing. Let you see what it looks like inside the box. You got the owner's manual here, which is well detailed, but it does not tell the size of the camera. So you do have all the controller functions and also the app that you need to download for iOS or Android, you guys. So there's that. The cool thing about this is it does come with 2 batteries, which I'm very happy. You have the battery charger, which was just kind of loose in here. It was actually underneath the box, so I went ahead and charged the batteries. But one of the batteries actually comes in the drone already. It's a little hard to pull this battery out, but it will pop out of there. It's a 3.7 volt, 650 milliamp, and it's proprietary battery, so I am glad that they provided 2 batteries for you. The other battery is actually sitting right inside the box here. So you got the second battery here, and I charged them both up. Then you got the controller, which these are fake antennas. And then you have everything listed, which I really like. They listed all the buttons on here, so you don't have to carry the manual around with you. It has all the buttons listed, so that way you know what all the functions are for, you guys. This one here does take 3 AA's, which are not included. I put mine in there already. And then let's see if there's anything else. We got only 2 spare propellers. You got a Phillips screwdriver and 4 propeller guards. And also I have another owner's manual for some reason. So I got 2 manuals, and okay, this one's for, I don't know which language this is for, but it's got another language manual in there. So they provide 2 manuals for 2 different languages, English and whatever language that is. You have some little get social with us. Looks like they got some kind of little customer service card. They offer a free battery and 30% off of your next order, so that's pretty cool. And that's basically it. Just a little survey card with their customer service number. And I guess if you do a short, brief survey, they'll send you another battery, so you'll actually be able to have 3 batteries plus 30% off your next purchase order. So that makes it really nice, you guys. But the drone itself's got the power button here. The camera's right in front here. You can tilt it just a really small angle, so it's not a big angle, you guys. So which is fine. I usually have them pointing straight anyways when I'm flying. But other than that, that should be it. I think let's see if you can set your phone on here somewhere. There it is. It's tucked underneath. So that's where your cell phone will go. But the buttons here, it looks like it's got automatic takeoff, automatic land. The other functions got headless mode and 1 key return, which that I really don't like that 1 key return, because you have to have the drone actually facing away from you, the backside towards you, and you have to keep it that angle. And so when you press the return to home, it will come back. All right, but it don't stop. You have to stop it yourself manually, either with the sticks or hit that returned home button back off. It's got the 1 key to unlock the propellers. So it's 1 key takeoff, short press, 1 key land. Okay, then you got the trim button. Looks like forward trim, back trim. So it's got FB for forward, or F for forward, B for back, and then you got right and left trim all marked on there for you. This is emergency stop button here. So if you press that and you're up in the air, this thing will come crashing down. It cuts the motors off. So stay close to the ground, or only hit that if it is emergency. It's flying away from you, or you don't know where it's at and you're afraid it's going to go and land into somebody. You can hit that emergency stop button. Other than that, I don't see anything else on here. You got your speed rate is actually up on top here. So it's on this top right or left shoulder here. This one is not working, so there's no function here. And I believe that's basically it. Your photo, 1 press takes a picture, 1 long press starts the video, 1 long press again stops the video. So make sure you stop the video before the battery dies, or the video will be corrupt. Or make sure before you shut it off that you stop the film, or you'll lose all your video. Okay. All right, guys, that's basically it. Let's get this thing out for a flight and see how it does. Stay tuned for that. Alright guys, I'm with the Topvision. I'm going to go and try this out. Let me turn it on first. Do a test flight. It's flashing. Let me turn it on. Get it to link here. There we go. Up, down. We'll link it together. Let me see if I can find the Wi-Fi. See if I can get connected to Wi-Fi. It's searching. See if it's on here. There it is, M8, or yeah, M8 right there. That's the one you want. Let me get on HFun that I downloaded. Okay. Press start here. See if I can get an image here. Came on the other day. Try backing back out of here for a second. It's not connected here. It says it's connected. So let me try it again. M8 there. HFun, anything? There we go. Okay, we got Wi-Fi. You have to record from here since there's no DVR recorder, so you're unable to film from DVR from an SD card. It has to be filmed on here. So the film started, so I'm going to go ahead and I should calibrate the gyros, and let's see, let me go back real quick. Calibrate. It's calibrating. Alright, we go to start. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and press record again. There we go. I just want to do the calibration here. Okay, 1 key takeoff. Alright, so far pretty smooth. Alright, I'm just checking out the... seeing if that optical flow is going to kick in, or if I have to press a button. I don't see anything. Let's... oh, it's staying pretty stable now. Okay. Alright, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and go to 3rd rate. Let's go for a little flight. Just going to... yeah, that's full throttle, so it's pretty slow, you guys. Uh-oh, there we go. I hesitated for a minute. So that is definitely... you don't want to go further than that. It is definitely not a distance flyer, and this thing is super slow, you guys. Alright, super slow quadcopter, so I'm going to keep it close. Go out to about that white van.
and turn it around. Yeah, that's full speed. That's real slow, and I got a little bit of wind coming that way, so it is definitely fighting it. Yeah, it's definitely not wanting to go anywhere. That's full pitch forward, you guys. Oh, that's a bummer. I'm gonna go ahead and stop the film. Oh, the wind's blowing it back. Let me stop the film. Alright, I'm gonna stop the recording. And it is definitely struggling. I can't get it to come back here. I got a little bit of a breeze coming, probably about 2 miles an hour, maybe 3 at the most, and I can't get it to come back. Yeah, that's third rate, and I can't get it to come back here. That's too bad. I may have to land it. It has no power, you guys. Absolutely no power. Let's see if I can land this thing. Yeah, look at that. That's full pitch forward. And it can't even, it could barely make it. Yep, that is it. Oh, this is kind of bunk, you guys. That's a bummer. I don't know, you'd have to have absolutely no wind for this one. Got the breeze coming. You see the trees are barely, they're moving a little bit, but probably about 3 miles an hour right now. And that's full pitch forward. It ain't going nowhere. Alright, I better land it. Bring it down. A couple hops there, because it started to take off from me. I don't see no I don't see any other kind of suggestion on see what the camera swap. That's so you can see the camera underneath here. Yeah, I don't even want to take off now. Let me swap that back. Yeah, it's not doing anything now. That's kind of a bummer. Let me try holding this. Nothing. Well, that's kind of a bummer. Well, that was short-lived. Yeah, nothing. Alright, so I'm going to try it without the app. I'm going to shut the app off, and then I'm going to try to bring it back up again, you guys, and see if it does anything. So, alright, stay tuned for that. Alright, put a fresh battery in it. Let me turn it on, get it to link. There we go. Let's put in third rate. See if it makes a difference, and now we got sirens going. Alright, let me see if I can get this to go. That's a little bit better. I disconnected from the app, and yeah, I still don't have any power. Look at that. Yeah, this is gonna have to be a no from me, guys, to be honest with you. How can you fly a drone when it can't even fly towards you? There's no wind right now. No wind. See, it's barely anything, and it's barely coming back to me. I apologize for the sirens, but obviously something's going on over here. That's what happens when you live in the city. Yeah, guys, it's no good. No good. I'm sorry to the person that sent me this from Amazon, but there's no way I can give this a thumbs up when it has no power at all. I can't even go forward with no breeze. Nothing's blowing. And look at that, barely. I'm in third rate of speed. Look at that, that's terrible. That's very terrible. So I don't know if it's got the optical flow camera fighting. If it's fighting, you know, trying to keep it positioned and not letting it, you know, push forward or not. I have no idea. But this is it. That's as fast as it's gonna go. Yeah. Alright, I'm done with this. I'm not even gonna do any more tests. That's terrible. Alright guys, I'm gonna land it. I don't even want to go through the functions. I can imagine the hand gesture and and the point of interest. I'm sure that stuff, I don't even want to go there, because if this thing can't even fly forward with no breeze now, and it's struggling just to barely go forward, then it's not worth buying. So anyways, hey, this is what I got to do. I got to be honest with everybody, and this one is on the no buy list, you guys. So that Amazon dealer, they probably won't want to send anything to me again, but hey, that's why I do this, to save you guys money, because I hate to see you go and spend this much money for one of these and get it and see that it don't even want to really fly. So alright guys, hey, thanks for watching. Like always, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.